Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 30mm wheel spacers on your rear wheel. Let's go. The special design of this BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped grooves on the back. Because the rotation of the spacer makes the external cold airflow efficiency and continuously inside the spacer. While cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of FT cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.